Guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, not in today's newspaper on Saturday, October the 1st, 2022. No, it's the newspaper of yesterday because today on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's edition. Alright, the Two Stars Sudoku. This will be number 5266. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits, one less than one less than the previous letter Sudoku, and for it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. 26 printed digits. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But for two stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. 1, 3 and 8. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, and look, we have 3 and 8 in this row, so no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, so 1 digit left in this column for number 1. 1, 1. Okay, so we have an 8 there, we have a 9 there. Okay. 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in this box. Here 4 in this row, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4. It should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. All right. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, okay. 4. Cannot continue with the 4. 1. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 7. Let me see. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 could be here. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. And look, we have 1 and 2 in this column. So no 1 and 2 in this box. The 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 1 box left in this row for number 7. Yes, 1, 2, and a 7 are missing. So 2. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1. 1. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 3. We have 8 and the 3 in the middle row, so no 8 and 3 in these two boxes. The 8 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair in this big square. 8 and 3, 8 and 3. Let me mark those. 8 and 3. So what are the other two numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the middle column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. So, two missing numbers now in this middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those two boxes. The other pair in this big square are numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2, 9, and 8. 8 should be there, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 8. Well, here can be an 8. We have an 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. So the 8 could be here or there. Here or there. We see an 8 in the first row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third row. 8 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 and the 3. We have an 8 now in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 8, 8, 8. Okay. 8, 8, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9. And look, we have a 3 in this column. So no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So the 4 and the 9 are left. Let me mark those. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. 2 numbers left in this middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. And the 5 is 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 it goes there. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7. Okay. So. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 5 in this column. Here can be a 5 because we have a 5 in the middle row. So no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see a 5 in the last row. So no 5 there. Here, 5 in the row above. No 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Okay. 5 in this row, third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column. I believe the 2 and the 9 are left. We have a 2 in the first row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. Now we have a 9 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4 in the first row, no 4 there. Here 4 in the second row, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. 2 missing numbers in the third row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the second column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And we have up here, I believe, the 2 and the 7 in this column, first column, the 2 and the 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 2 now in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So now, can I count the 2's? Yeah, and all the 2's are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 2. Alright, 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this third column. No 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this column, third column. No 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Yeah. Then 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 8 and 3, we have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 8 goes there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in the last row. No 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 8 in the last row. 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 9 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Cannot believe this. This one is a very quick to solve. 12 minutes. Maybe a record. So is this really a 2 star? 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in a minute with the last puzzle of today. The tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.